students, today we'll be finding the squares of numbers between these range 76 to 125. Okay, look here now how we are going to do this. There is a particular algorithm that we have to follow. Okay, for the first two digits we'll follow this, and for the last two digits we'll follow this. Okay, so let us take a number between these range. Okay, I'll take 91 square. Okay, then it will be a 4-digit answer. Okay, so 91 minus 100 is minus 9. Okay, again plus the number. Okay, minus 9 plus 91 is how much? 82. Okay, so I got my first two digits. Last two digits very easy. N minus 100. N minus 100, you know, minus 9, 91 minus 100 is minus 9, the whole square. So we got here 81. Simple, students, isn't it? Okay, one more I'll take. Let us take 97 square. Okay, now I'll do a little quickly. Okay, 97 minus 100 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 97 again is 94. Okay, then I'll come here. I got here minus 3. So minus 3 square is 9. But I'll not write 9 since I have two blanks here. Okay, so I'll write 0, 9. Okay, then let me take a number greater than 100. Let us say 123 square. Okay, so 123 square, n minus 100, 23. Okay, n minus 100 plus n, this is 23 plus 123, so 146. Okay, and you have for the second one you have n minus 100 the whole square, so that is I'll get 23 square. Okay, which is equal to 529. So how will you place this 529? 5 here and 29 here, 5 carry, because we have only two blanks here. Okay, so any number which is above 100 here, okay, you will get some carry and then you will get the answer after adding. 92151. This is your answer, students. Okay, one last one. I'll take 111, say 111 square. Okay, so what 111 square is, I'll take n minus 100 will become 11. 11 plus 111 is 122. Okay, then again I'll come here. I got here 11. So what is 11 square? 11 square is 121. Okay, so if I add this, I'll get 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, from behind also 1 2 3 2 1, and from here also you read it's 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, students, I hope you got this. Practice this technique. Okay, and you can do the squares orally. Okay, thanks, goodbye.